Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung model and Android version so you know which menus appear. This matters because Samsung UI labels differ. Once done, back up any essential data. This prevents surprises when changing app data or caches. Now open Settings, tap Apps, and locate the game showing ads. This is the first actionable step because you'll adjust permissions and notification controls there to stop intrusive ads quickly. You'll now limit the game's ability to push ads. First, tap Notifications and turn off banners and pop-ups for that app. This blocks many ad types. Next, force stop and clear cache to remove stored ad elements. This often ends recurring pop-up cycles. Then go into Permissions and revoke anything unrelated to gameplay, like SMS or overlay permission, because overlays enable full-screen ads. Make sure to toggle background activity off to prevent background ad downloads. Finally, if ads continue, uninstall the app or its updates and reinstall from Google Play to ensure a clean version. Malicious builds sometimes slip in. Make sure Play Protect is enabled and run a scan. Adware can masquerade as games. Restart the phone to apply all changes, then run the app in airplane mode to confirm in-app ads are gone. If problems persist, factory reset as last resort, but only after backing up. This removes deep adware that settings can't fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.